Some thoughts about using cohorts to teach courses on Circle. Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and in the last couple podcast episodes, we've sort of discussed some of the various ways that you can incorporate an external LMS like Podia, as we are using for an example, or Teachable, or Thinkific, or even something like Gumroad, or Buy Me a Coffee to deliver cohort-based courses within your Circle community. And essentially what you're going to be doing is delivering the course content in an external way, right? So that's, let's say, via something like Gumroad or Podia. Maybe that's a PDF, maybe that's a video course or a webinar or a Zoom series or an audio series. And then you're actually delivering the cohort piece within the Circle community. And this is where Circle really shines and where it really handles the delivery of course cohorts in a fashion that none of these other LMS style platforms can accommodate. So I want to quickly look at a simple distinction that really has a significant difference insofar as the way we think about delivering courses and cohorts within a Circle community. And I really love this definition. It's not mine. It's from Pathright, which is another LMS that we use in our own platform. And essentially, they distinguish or differentiates, probably the better phrase here, between courses and cohorts in the following way. So in their parlance, courses are a guided step-by-step path that is filled with actionable learning content. And courses, in their view, are best viewed as a playbook or a template or a path that supports a real life learning experience. But cohorts are actually a unique group of people that are on that path together. And in, again, their sort of parlance, cohorts actually generate at least half of the learning experience from discussion and feedback, not the actual content that's contained in the course. And that's a really interesting way of separating out what is cohort-based experience and course-based experience. And a cohort can actually start on the same path in a group, but their path will move and migrate and flow and grow and evolve in a very unique way, predicated on their own interest and experience and ability to interact with you, each other, and the content as they go through the path and make progress to the end objective. And I think it's a really key distinction that's helpful to understand, that in the cohort-based community or the cohort-based course, it's a very different learning experience than it would be if you're just delivering this static course type content. And again, for those of us using Circle or something like Circle, there are certainly other alternatives. I do prefer Circle, and that's what we're using. But you can also use something like Mighty Networks or Buddy Boss or Buddy Press or Tribe. There are many other, I would imagine, social software niche community style solutions out there. But for those of us using Circle, it's a really great opportunity to create these cohorts that conform or match or correspond, I guess is the right word, to the courses that you're teaching elsewhere. And it really allows those of us who are using software like Gumroad, let's say, which is just generally digital downloads, right? I mean, they have memberships and all that good stuff, but really they're known for, like kind of delivering PDFs or videos or audios. It really allows you to take a super inexpensive solution like that and deliver a world-class learning experience using this cohort model, simply by virtue of incorporating a Circle community into your Gumroad product flow or funnel or collection of content that you're offering there, right? And I think that's really an exciting thing for people who want to deliver these really high level learning experiences simply by adding groups of people that buy a course on one platform into a private space in another where they can interact with each other, generate lots of content, questions, and build relationships that ultimately are bonding and serve both them and, of course, you as the sort of thought leader behind all this. All right, so I really like thinking about the cohort-based courses in this way, and I think it's a good heuristic for anyone who's thinking about building their brand using courses and community in 2021 and beyond. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Thank you so much for listening, and if you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask. Thanks.